Now, in this video, we will discuss about the question answers of chapter 4 in the earliest cities from history. First, we can start with very short question answers. Question 1 is, what were the three major categories of people in Harappan city? We can mention the three major categories of people. लोगों की वो कैटेगरीज हमने बतानी है जो हरप्पन सिटीज़ में रहते थे. नंबर 1 इज़ रूलर्स, सेकेंड 1 इज़ क्राफ्ट पर्सन्स एंड थर्ड 1 इज़ स्क्राइब्स. Question 2 is, write the name of a new tool which was used to dig earth for turning the soil or planting trees. Turning the soil मतलब digging. Name the tool. We have to write the name of that tool. That is plug. Question 3 is, what was the main food of people in the cities? Write the name of the food of people that lived in the cities of Harappa. The main food of the Harappans were wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed and mustard. Even they eat along with these foods meat, milk and milk products. Question 4 is, write down the name of 4 main earlier cities. We have to write the names of the earlier cities. Answer is, the names are, number 1 is Mohenjo-daro, number 2 is Harappa, number 3 is Kalibangam, number 4 is Rakhighari, number 5 is Chenjo-daro, 5 is Dholavira, 6 1 is Lothal. Then come to question number 5. What are the two important salient features about the constructions exhibited in the Indus Valley civilization? We have to write the main features of Indus Valley civilization about their construction work. Answer 5 is, first point is, baked bricks were used in all buildings. Buildings were made of baked bricks. Second one is, these bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern to make strong walls. These bricks were laid in which pattern? In interlocking pattern, so that walls become strong. Question 6 is, name the most important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. In which, name the center, in which center objects are made from stone, shell and metal. Answer 6 is, Lothal was the most important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. Question 7 is, where was the city of Lothal situated? Where was Lothal situated? Lothal was situated near the areas where raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available. Lothal was situated in that areas where they can get the raw materials easily. Question 8 is, what is faience? Answer is, faience is a material that is artificially produced. That is produced by an artificial method. It was used to make beads and tiny vessels, etc. Faience was used to make the beads and tiny vessels. Question 9 is, name the Harappan cities where sacrifices may have been performed. Answer is, Kalibangan and Lothal are the two cities of Harappa where sacrifices have been performed. Question 10 is, name the city where cotton was most probably grown. We have to write the name of the city where cotton was grown. Answer 10 is Mehergarh. Question 11 is, what was the name of the special tank of Mohenjo-daro? Hanji, answer 11 is the Great Bath. Great Bath was the name of the special tank that was in Mohenjo-daro. State a feature of the houses constructed in Harappan civilization. We have to give the main feature of the houses that was Harappan constructed. That is, answer is drainage system. We all know that drainage system of Harappa was very good It is a very, they like to cleanliness, so their drainage system was very good. And question 13 is, who were scribes? Scribes were the people who wrote on seals and other materials about transactions and other factors. Scribes are those people who knew how to write and how to write on seals and other materials about transaction meaning business management, about trade and other factors. They wrote on the materials about business management, about trade and other factors. Question 14 is, what do we call to the western part of the Harappan city? Answer 14 is citadel. Question 15, what were the uses of bronze metal? Bronze metal the uses we have to tell. Answer 15 is, this metal was used to make weapons and also agriculture implements. This metal was used to make, first is weapons, weapons matlab means hathiyar, and also for agriculture implements. Agriculture use ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ implements ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ bronze metal ਦੀ use ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. Then come to short question answer. Question 1, how do archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan civilization? Archaeologists, how they came to know that Harappan civilization starts using the clothes? Answer 1 is, actually piece of cloth have been found in Mohenjo-daro. In Mohenjo-daro they have to find the piece of the cloth which is attached to the lid of a silver base and some copper objects. Spindle rolls have been also been discovered which were used to spin thread. Second one, first cloth have been found, piece of cloth. Second one is spindle rolls have been discovered. Spindle rolls were used to spin the thread. This indicates cloth was used in the Harappan civilization. By this they have to know that Harappan civilization was used cloth. Question 2 is, make a list of all the terracotta toys shown in the lesson. Which do you think children would have enjoyed playing with the most? We have to tell the name of the toys which were made from terracotta. The terracotta toys shows in the lesson are toy cart, a toy plug and terracotta. Answer is, the children would have loved to play with the toy plug and they can dig the mud with it and make mud castles. Mud ਦੇ ਉਹ castles मतलब महल बनाते ਸੀਗੇ, ठीक है जी, टॉय प्लग ਨੂੰ यूज़ करके मड पुੱਟਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਮੱਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਕੈਸਲਸ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ. Question 3 is, make a list of what the Harappans ate. We have to make of the list of that things that Harappan ate and put a tick mark against the things you ate today, or write the name of the things you eat today. जो things we have to eat in these days. Answer 3 is, the people of Harappans ate various kinds of grains. Number 1 is wheat, 2 barley, pulses, peas, rice, linseed, sesame and mustard. Most of these things we eat even today. So many things from these are there that we eat even today. At present we eat rice, wheat, pulses, fish, meat and milk. Barley is used by us also. Question 4 is, list the features of the Great Bath. Everybody knows that Great Bath is in Mohenjo-daro. Great Bath was lined with bricks, coated with plaster and made watertight with a layer of natural tar. Great Bath was made by lined with the bricks and coated with plaster from the outside, and there was it watertight and made watertight with a layer of natural tar so that there will be no leakage of water. There were steps leading down from two sides into the tank. There were steps means stairs ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਸਾਈਡਸ ਤੇ that people go from the both sides to the tank. Question 5 is, what is a seal and sealing? For what purpose seal was used by Harappans? Answer 5 is, seals are the clay tablets used by Harappan traders to stamp their goods. Seals are made from clay. They used by Harappans to put the stamp on their goods that they send from one place to another. When they close the bag, a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot. The seal was pressed on it. The impression of the seal is known as sealing. जो impression seal का होता है, that is known as sealing. Question 6 is, what type of metals were used to make tools in earlier cities? Name the two metals which were used to make the tools in Harappan cities. There are mainly 4 types of metals that were used to make tools in earlier cities. Their names were copper, bronze, gold and silver. Copper and bronze were used to make number 1 tools, number 2 weapons, number 3 ornaments, number 4 vessels. Vessels means pande, ornaments means jewelry, weapons means हथियार, tools means ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਖੇਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ यूज़ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Second one, gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels. ਜਿਹੜੇ gold ਤੇ silver ਸੀਗਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਉਸਨੂੰ ornaments ਤੇ vessels ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ यूज़ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. Then we come to long question answers. Explain why metals, writings, wheels and plug were considered important for the Harappans. Why these 4 are important for Harappans? Answer is, metals, writing, the wheel and the plug were important for the Harappans in so many ways. Number 1, we can discuss about metals. Metals were used for making various tools, utensils, jewelry and seals. Metals use किते जाते सी. Number 1 to make tool, number 2 to make utensils, number 3 to make jewelry, number 4 to make seals. Second one is writing. It was useful for maintaining the records. Writing is very useful to maintain the record of everything that is related to trade and for various other purposes. So many other purposes writing record is used. Number 3 is wheel. It was used in the carts to carry people and goods. Wheels were used in the carts. Carts means gadde. To carry people, लोगों ਨੂੰ carry ਕਰਨ ਲਈ and goods. Goods means things. Wheel was also used as potter's wheel. Potter's wheel ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਲਈ ਵੀ wheel use ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. Potter wheels means to make the pots of clay. Then fourth one is plug. It was used to dig the earth on the soil and planting seeds. It was used to dig the earth. Earth ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਟਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ so that soil becomes soft and they plant the seeds easily. Question 4 is, do you think that the life of the farmers and herders who supplied food to the Harappan cities were different from that of the farmer and herders you read about in chapter 3? Give reasons for your answer. We have to compare the life of farmers and herders of Harappan cities and of the chapter 3 farmers and herders. We also read in chapter 3 about farmers and herders na. We can chapter from gathering to growing food, we can compare the both farmers and herders, life of both farmers and herders. The life of Harappan farmers and herders were the different from the farmers and herders we read in chapter 3 because of the following reasons. So many reasons are there. Number 1 is tools. Tools are different. Harappan farmers and herders were using wooden tools and used plug for digging the soil. They used the wooden tools, Harappan farmers, and they used the plug to dig the soil. Whereas they were using mortar and pestle for grinding grain, they were made of bones. Earlier, the people used the farmers and herders used the mortar and pestle for grinding the grain, and they were made of bones. Then storage system is also different. The Harappan farmers stored food in built granaries and not in clay pots and baskets. ठीक है जी, they use the built granaries. And chapter 3 farmers and herders used clay pots and baskets. Third one is irrigation. Harappan farmers and herders used irrigation for water produced while the earlier ones did not. They used water for irrigation method, but earlier ones don't use it. Residence. Harappan farmers lived in the outskirts of cities. वो cities ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ. Whereas there were no settled cities in the time of farmers and herders of the chapter 3. The farmers and herders जो chapter 3 के थे, they don't lived a settled life. They have to move from one place to another as compared to Harappan farmers. Harappan farmers lived in the cities. Question 3 is describe the people of Harappan cities. We have to describe about the people of Harappa. Answer 3. There were 3 basic occupations of people living in Harappan cities. 3 main people are there that lived in Harappan cities. One is ruler, second is scribes, third one is craft persons. First we can discuss about rulers. Rulers, they planned the construction of special buildings in the city. They probably sent people to distant land to get raw material, and they kept the most valuable objects for themselves. Rulers planned the construction work of special buildings in the city. They construct the buildings and they sent people from one place to another to get the raw materials. They kept most valuable objects along with them. वो अपने साथ रखते थे. Second is scribes. They were people who knew how to write. Scribes were that people who know how to write. They prepared the seals. Third is craft persons. People who made all kind of things were called craft persons. That people who are specialized to make the things, every kind of things like toys, so many things they prepared. ठीक है जी, they prepared the toys, they prepared tools. ठीक है जी, they collect the materials and they prepare all these things. That people are called the craft person. Thank you.